Hi guys, this is Mrs. Marquez. Today we're going to look at what is mechanical energy. So what is mechanical energy? Well, mechanical energy is a type of energy that is created by movement. There are two types of mechanical energy. One is called potential energy. Potential energy is anything that has the ability to move, but it's not moving yet. So if you look at this picture, you see this guy standing here, right? He has potential energy to be able to move, but he's not quite moving at that moment. Kinetic energy is after something is moving when it's in motion. So this guy right here who's diving off, he now has kinetic energy because he is actually moving from the platform. In your experiment that you are going to do, you are going to have 7 pennies. The first thing you need to do is set your pennies up in a formation like this that looks kind of like a bowling pin formation. You're going to have 6 pennies, 3, 2, and then 1. And then after you set those up, you're going to get a ruler and you're going to measure 25 centimeters and put the 7th penny there. Okay? After that, what you're going to do is you're going to slide the penny and it's going to hit these just kind of like a bowling ball would in a bowling alley. It's going to hit the pins. Well, in this case, you're going to hit the other 6 pennies and you're going to see how many pennies moved. Once you've done that in your journal, you need to write at 25 centimeters how many pennies moved. Then you're going to measure 30 centimeters and you're going to move that penny back. And you're going again to slide it. Try to slide it about the same force as you did the first time. And then here in your journal, you're going to mark how many pennies up here were moved at the 30 centimeter mark. Then you're going to do 40 centimeters. And it depends on how many you want to do. I only have 3 here, but if you would like to do 35 or 45 or even 50 centimeters, you can. And then how many pennies were moved here after you slid this penny to hit them. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to answer some questions in your journal. Make sure you're using complete sentences. So think, at what point in the experiment did the pennies have potential energy? So you're going to answer that question. The pennies had potential energy during the experiment. When? And then tell me when. At what point in the experiment did the pennies have kinetic energy? During the experiment, the pennies had kinetic energy when? And then lastly, you're going to answer, how did the pennies change energy from potential to kinetic? What was it that made those pennies change their kind of energy? Make sure you answer it also in a complete sentence. All right, have fun, guys.